Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in to Notion where your current email is active. Once signed in, make sure you can access the old email because Notion will send verification there. This is the single gate. If you are Workspace admin, note that changes may affect Workspace invite flows. Next, open Settings and Members, go straight to My Account Settings so you're positioned to edit contact details and trigger the built-in email change workflow. Now, in My Account, locate the email field and enter the new address precisely. Once done, click the Change Email or Send Verification button. Notion requires verification from the old address in some cases, so open your old inbox and approve the request. Then, check the new email for a confirmation link, follow it to complete the swap. If you're an admin changing a team-owned contact, make sure Workspace ownership settings remain intact as you proceed. Finish by confirming both verification messages were acted on. Once you click the confirmation in the new inbox, Notion updates the account email. If the change doesn't appear, sign out and sign back in, then retry the verification. Sometimes token expiry blocks completion. If you still fail, clear browser cache or try an incognito window before contacting support. Key troubleshooting tip: if you cannot access the old email, you must.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.